feel like you're giving the keto diet your all, but still not seeing the results you desire. We get it. You're counting macros, measuring ketones, working out, but still not losing weight. Or maybe you did lose weight initially on keto, but you've plateaued. Here are the top mistakes people make when starting the ketogenic diet and potential reasons you may be seeing less than stellar results. The 10 most common mistakes on the keto diet. 1. Not eating enough fat. The keto diet isn't just low carb, it's high fat. 75% of the calories you eat should come from healthy fats, 20% from protein, and 5% from carbs. Fat is satiating, so if you're eating the right amount, you'll minimize carb cravings, helping you stay in ketosis and promoting body fat burn. 2. Eating too much protein. One of the most common mistakes for those just starting the keto diet is eating too much protein. Excess protein is converted by the body into glucose in a process called gluconeogenesis. It's a natural process by which the body will convert energy from proteins and fats into glucose when glucose is not readily available. In a low-carb or ketogenic diet, gluconeogenesis will occur at varying rates to maintain body function. Our bodies don't need tons of carbs, like most diets provide, but we do need glucose. A ketogenic diet isn't a low-carb, high-protein way of eating. As we mentioned earlier, fat needs to be your primary fuel source, and that means finding pure fat sources that don't include protein, such as butter or healthy oils, to add to your meals. In other words, don't exclusively rely on eating fattier meats to achieve your fat macro goals. 3. Eating too many calories. You might hear people say you can eat as much as you want on keto, as long as it's high fat. Although we wish that were true, it's misleading. Healthy fats should make up the bulk of your diet, 75% of your calories, but if you take in more calories than you burn, you'll only gain weight, no matter what you eat, since excess calories are stored as body fat. The average adult needs about 2,000 calories a day, but that varies based on a number of factors, including gender, height, and activity. 4. Not drinking enough water. Water is crucial to everything your body does, including burning body fat. If you're not drinking enough water, your metabolism will slow, halting weight loss. Drinking at least 64 ounces of water each day helps your body circulate nutrients, flush out toxins, and burn fat. When you're starting out the ketogenic diet, you may need to drink even more water because your body sheds water when you start consuming fewer carbs. 5. Not replenishing your electrolytes. Many people experience flu-like symptoms, known as the keto flu, when first starting the keto diet. This can happen for 2 reasons. 1. As your body switches from carb burning to fat burning mode, your brain may run low on energy, leading to nausea, headaches, and grogginess. 2. You're dehydrated and low on electrolytes because the keto diet causes you to urinate more frequently. The keto flu is a good sign you're headed in the right direction. You can minimize the symptoms by drinking more water and taking supplements to balance your electrolytes. 6. Eating too much dairy. If you're eating cheese all day as a keto-friendly snack for its fat content, you're also getting a hefty dose of protein and carbs along with that fat. Most people can tolerate dairy just fine on a ketogenic diet, but moderation is the key. Stick to no more than 1 to 2 ounces of cheese, and factor in protein content, or cream per meal. 7. Eating too many keto sweets. Some people think it's okay to indulge in keto cookies and keto brownies full of sugar substitutes because the net carb amount is low, but 1. You're still consuming lots of calories, and 2. Constantly eating sweet foods may increase your cravings for carbs. While keto sweets are great occasionally, they shouldn't be a staple in your diet. 8. Snacking too much. There are tons of great snacks you can enjoy on the keto diet, such as seeds, cheese, avocado, and nuts. However, snacking can be an easy way to sneak excess calories into your diet while also giving your body an easier fuel source to burn over body fat. Snacks should only be used if you have excessive hunger between meals. 9. Eating hidden carbs without realizing it. There are lots of foods that appear to be low carb but aren't. Hidden carbs can be found in condiments, sauces, and salad dressings. Tomato sauce, ketchup, and Thousand Island dressing are good examples. Always check the nutrition information before trying new food, just in case it has hidden carbs or sugar. It only takes a second to skim the label, and it can be the difference between losing weight or not. 10. Not sleeping enough. Getting enough sleep is crucial to weight loss. Without adequate sleep, your body feels under stress, which will result in a less effective metabolism and cause it to hang on to stored fat for support. Plus, when you're tired, you're more tempted to lean on a latte for energy, eat an extra snack to keep you going, or order takeout for a faster, but less healthy, meal. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night, and know that your body is using that time to burn fat without you doing a thing. Want to start your keto journey? We have a customizable keto plan for you. Just click the link in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For daily health guide, please subscribe to our channel.